May mga pagkakataong pakiramdam ko'y nilalaman na ako ng bigat ng mundo. Pagod, puyat at lungkot na hindi may paliwanag, halos wala na akong lakas para magpatuloy. Kaya ako, ito lagi ang pang-comfort ko.
Ito ang Pinoy Canton.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly print.
Check me out. Check me out.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's sword and gun day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. Come with it. Come with it. Could be sitting, taking lunch. The news will hit you like a punch. It's only Tuesday.
Pinoy Canton. Ito ang best buddy ko.